Welcome back to my channel. Watching this 7 minutes video how to make chocolate ice cream at home with just few ingredients. So here are the ingredients. You're going to be needing peak chocolate, since it's chocolate ice cream, Hollandia full cream, the condensed milk, whipping cream, and your vanilla flavor. So to start, you have your pot with ice in it, and then add the bowl where you do the mixing. You can see this in my previous video. So for this ice cream, we're going to start with the whipping cream. Measure out the quantity of whipping cream you need. I will be using 3 cups of whipping cream for this chocolate ice cream. So in case you're wondering why is there a pot and bowl, just watch my previous vanilla ice cream video. Everything has been explained there. I'm just making another variant for this ice cream, chocolate ice cream. I think next we'll be making strawberry ice cream. So after putting the 3 cups of whipping cream, you're going to add cold water. 3 cups of cold water. So the ratio of whipping cream to water is 1:1. So if you're using 1 cup of whipping cream, you're going to need 1 cup of cold water. If it's 2 cups, 2 cups of cold water. Because I'm using 3 cups, I'm going to use 3 cups of cold water. So I'm just going to add that into the whipping cream, and after adding it, I'll get my hand whisk and whisk. Please, if you have the electric whisk or the cake mixer, you can use that and avoid the stress of turning and turning and turning for 5 to about 10 minutes, because that's what I did here. I stirred for 5 minutes, and I wanted the texture thicker than that, so I had to go for another 5 minutes. So in essence, I did 10 minutes stirring. You can see how fast I turned my hands there. So yes, that's what you go through if you don't have an electric mixer, but this works, and it works very well. So this is the consistency after turning for like 2 or 3 minutes, and it was still watery, so I'm going to keep turning until it turns to this. So after 5 minutes I had this. I still wanted it thicker, so I kept on turning until I got the consistency I wanted. And this is what I got after. You can see it's thicker now. The more you stir, the stiffer the cream turns out. So it also depends on your preference. So next I'm going to go in and add the condensed milk. So if it were a vanilla ice cream, you're going to go with the same 1:1. So if you use 3 whipping creams, I ought to use 3 cups of condensed milk. But because this is chocolate ice cream and I'm substituting with a peak chocolate, I'm going to do 1 cup of condensed milk into this. Excuse me. This weather is so hot. You need ice cream in your home. Make one for your family. So yes, so we'll go in with the Hollandia evaporated milk, full cream please. So exactly the same thing, 1:1. So if it were vanilla, I would add 3 cups of Hollandia milk, but because of the peak chocolate which I'm going to add, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use 1 cup, just as I did for the condensed milk. So lastly, I'll go in with the peak chocolate. So I'm going to add 1 cup of peak chocolate. So I used about 6 sachets of this to achieve that 1 cup. So I'm just going to pour this in a cup to be sure I'm really going to get 1 cup. Trust me guys, there's no sugar in this ice cream, but it is very sweet, very sweet. So yeah, I'm adding the peak chocolate now, and once I'm done adding it, I'm going to stir so that the mixture can combine together. I've added a lot of rishi, condensed milk, Hollandia, big chocolate. Yeah, let's stir. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm stirring because you want it to fully combine, not to have some white patches mixed with brown patches. So that's pretty much it. Let's watch as I finish making this ice cream. Yeah, so you see this white, we don't want that, so we're going to stir and stir until it is well combined. And you can see it is no more white, everything has mixed, and that's the consistency of the ice cream. Very okay. So next we're going to freeze this for about 5 to 6 hours depending on the light situation in your area. It could be up to 8 hours. So that it is frozen now and our ice cream is ready. See, it is stiff, it's strong, it's not watery, extremely yummy. At this point everybody wants the ice cream in the house. So yeah, we're going to start putting in the cone or a cup if that's what you're going to use, but we're using a cone for this. So I waited for about 2 minutes just for the ice cream to defreeze a bit to allow me scoop, because I'm not using a scooping spoon but I'm using a normal spoon. You can see my daughter has already started taking one. She's already done with that one and I'm scooping another. So yeah, your ice cream is ready. Serve and enjoy for the whole family. Thanks for watching my video, and if you're new to my channel, please kindly subscribe, share this video, like this video, comment, ask questions, and I'll readily respond to your questions if there are any. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.